I have 7 children. Their oldest is 22, 22, 21, 18, 17, 16.
7 kids, a felony drug charge, and a judge who's about to dig into every corner of her life. Right here is where the entire tone of the hearing shifts. Watch closely.
16, 10, 11, 8.
And is Child Protective Services involved in your life?
No.
And if you're drug tested today, what are your... Court is calling 2025 CR 013459, State versus Stephanie Marie Navarro. Can I have parties announced?
George John Martin for the defendant.
And are you Ms. Navarro?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery.
Anytime you hear a case number like this, it means things are official. What happens next? No more negotiations. This is where the judge starts peeling back the layers.
Did you review the application for deferred adjudication or community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Did you understand you're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram? That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the...
Quick breakdown here. The judge is making sure she understands every single right she's giving up. If Stephanie screws up later, the court can drop the hammer. Up to 2 years locked up. This is that no turning back moment.
Right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Navarro, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
Mm.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
Mm.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be denied naturalization and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at an $800 fine, and the state recommends deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
Not at this time, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 2 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation, 200 hours of community service restitution, and the life skills course. Did you understand that was a recommendation from the state and the court does not have to follow that recommendation?
Yes.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, any evidence?
It offers states one attachment.
No objections, Your Honor.
State, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. The court has reviewed the same. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, this is a first-time offense for a drug offense, Your Honor, and so we had discussed some issues.
And here it is, the emotional core of the case. Judges always pivot to family when deciding whether rehabilitation is even possible. Watch how the judge's tone shifts from legal to personal.
That she has some concerns about the case, but she feels it's in her best interest to plea, and we're asking that the court grant her request for deferred adjudication.
All right, do you have any children?
Yes.
What are their ages?
I have 7 children. The oldest is 22, 21, 18, 17, 16, 10, and 8.
All right. And do they live with you?
Yes.
And is Child Protective Services involved in your life?
No.
And if you're drug tested today, what are your results going to be? And you need to be honest with me because I'm going to have you drug tested.
I will come out.
This is a critical point. Notice how she hesitates. Judges can spot uncertainty instantly. And when the drug in question is meth, a substance with major child safety implications, that hesitation hits hard.
I take a what is it called? ADHD pills.
Okay, so here's the thing. This charge is a charge for methamphetamine. My question is, are you going to test positive for illegal substances?
I believe so.
All right, and what would those illegal substances be?
It would be for the ADHD pills.
Your Honor, I think she's a little confused.
So here's the thing. Do you have a prescription for ADHD pills? ADHD pills? All right. Have you been taking anything other than that medication? When were you prescribed that medication?
It's about almost a year ago.
And how long have you been taking them? Just a year ago? Are you going to be positive for anything else? And Child Protective Services didn't get involved in your life even though you had this case? So who else lives at home with you other than your children?
My mom and dad.
All right. Are they employed or no?
Yeah, my dad is.
But your mom isn't?
No.
All right. I'm going to order 200 hours of community service restitution, proof of employment within 45 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Are you currently employed?
Yes, sir.
Doing what?
I do hair for a living.
Okay. All right. I'm going to order parenting classes. 100 hours will be deducted upon completion of the parenting classes. How far did you go in school?
I graduated.
Okay, awesome. Thank you. And do you have your cosmetology license? Oh, congratulations.
Thank you.
And then 100 hours, the remaining 100 hours will be deemed satisfied once she completes the life skills course. There's going to be field visits 1 time per month for 6 months. Probation, is there anything else?
Yes, Judge. The term.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I wrote it in and I didn't say it. 2 years, deferred adjudication, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs. Is there anything else?
No, sir.
Is there anything else you need from the court?
This is where the bigger question drops. Can tough love from the court actually break a cycle? Or is probation just a temporary bandage on a much deeper wound? I want to hear what you think.
To be successful?
No.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Because this is plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. All right, we can go off the record. In this court, communication is key. If there's an issue, let probation know about it. If you feel they're not addressing it, you can always come back to court, okay?
Yes.
All right, good luck to you.
All right.